Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will explore the timeless elegance of simple gold ring designs, perfect for any occasion. These rings showcase the beauty of minimalism with their sleek lines and classic charms. Whether you're looking for a ring for daily wear or a special gift, our curated collection offers something for everyone. Join us as we dive into the world of understated luxury and discover how a simple gold ring can make a big statement. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry inspiration ideas. I hope you like this amazing collection. If you like any particular design, you can take the screenshot of that design and customize similar designed gold ring from your jeweler. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.